Jai Shri. Hello everyone. I decided to do a quick video to tell you about a special group coaching program I'm intending to do. This program is exclusively for ladies, for our dear sisterhood. In this program, my main intention is to help you improve your feel-good factor, starting from your body, mind, heart, and soul. Feel-good factor is the key to make anything happen in life. So if you are experiencing some kind of a delay, a blockage, a disturbance, resistance in trying to achieve something in your life, let's say a weight loss goal or a spiritual goal or outcome like wanting to meditate on a daily basis, or for that matter, a career objective or a business objective, and you feel that there's something stopping you and your progress is stalling. If that is happening, the main reason for that is that as a woman, you're not feeling good about yourself. Maybe you don't feel good about your body, or maybe you're not feeling good about your thought processes, like you're having mostly negative, disturbed thoughts throughout the day or most of the time of the day. Or you're struggling with certain emotions like anger, anxiety, irritation, sadness, for that matter, even guilt. So, if you're struggling like that, that is mainly because you're not feeling good. So, if you're not feeling good, certainly your body is not creating those happy hormones. So, it's like a vicious cycle. When your body is not creating those happy hormones and your brain is not at the optimal level, you cannot necessarily achieve the intended outcomes in any area of life, say financial, relationship, physical health and well-being, mental health and well-being, education, career, profession and business, spirituality. In all those areas of life, if you want to optimize your life experience, you got to feel better and better. So with my life experience, I realized one big reason that is causing this feel-good factor to go down or not sustain at optimal level is cravings or addictions. Cravings or addictions not only for food. Usually people think when they hear the word cravings and addictions, it's mostly or all about food addictions or cravings about food. Not necessarily. Sometimes we crave or get addicted to wrong, unhealthy, dysfunctional emotions like anger, sadness, irritation, frustration. We don't know that it is actually an addictive process that is happening in the brain. And we are habitually getting those emotions. And we feel like a victim and continuously feel bad about ourselves when we have those emotions. Sometimes we are addicted to wrong relationships or unhealthy relationships. As a woman, maybe, every woman is wanting love and affection in their life. Love, intimacy and affection, respect and all of it. Specifically from a man. So when a woman is not feeling good about herself, usually she is drawn to a dysfunctional, unhealthy relationship with a man who's not able to provide those things to a woman. And especially if you are a woman and struggling with your sexual energy, you crave for intimacy, but you're not getting it from the partner that you are involved with, or for that matter, you don't have an intimate partner, but you are looking forward to have a lot of intimacy. You crave for it, like that is the top of the mind thought in a given day, and you don't know how to work it out. So that's a problem that then start affecting every other area of your life. So addictions can be food, dysfunctional relationships with people, emotions, and even certain behaviors. We get addicted to certain behaviors out of victimization. So if you're struggling like this, I want to help you. I'm here to assist you, guide you, and help you, enable, empower, and enlighten you. So if you feel resonated with this message, talk to us, drop a message. During this month, we will be holding an online workshop. During that, you can talk to me in person, and also you will get loads of mind hacks, brain hacks, diet and nutrition ideas, as well as some meditative practices that can help you break the vicious cycle, overcome addictions and cravings, and bring a new level of balance and healing into your life. I look forward hearing from you. Jai Shri.